He was once a bus driver. No military rank. No economic background. No legacy of power. Yet he rose. And years later, he left his country in handcuffs. His name is Nicolas Maduro. Nicolas Maduro Moros was born in 1962 in Caracas, Venezuela, into a working-class family. He never completed a traditional university education. Instead, he entered politics through labor unions and radical left-wing movements. Power did not come to him through expertise or achievement, but through absolute loyalty to one man, Hugo Chavez. Maduro's personal life reflected the same pattern of instability and control. His first marriage ended in divorce long before he reached power, quietly disappearing from public view. His second wife, Cilia Flores, was not merely a partner. She was a lawyer, a political operator, and one of the most powerful figures inside his inner circle, serving for years as both legal shield and enforcer of the regime. When Chavez died in 2013, Maduro became president in an election surrounded by controversy and allegations of fraud. Almost immediately, Venezuela began to collapse. Hyperinflation destroyed the currency, food and medicine disappeared, public services failed, millions of Venezuelans fled the country. Maduro did not step aside. He tightened control, he dominated the courts, he secured the military's loyalty, he crushed political opposition, and he transformed elections into performance. Venezuela was no longer governed. It was controlled. In 2020, the United States formally indicted Nicolas Maduro. The charges were extraordinary for a sitting head of state: narco-terrorism conspiracy, large-scale cocaine trafficking, international money laundering, collaboration with major drug cartels, and the use of government institutions as tools of organized crime. According to U.S. prosecutors, Maduro had turned the Venezuelan state itself into a criminal enterprise operating across borders. Then came January 2026. In a swift and coordinated operation, U.S. forces captured Nicolas Maduro and Cilia Flores together. Not behind a podium, not delivering a speech, but during a security raid. The lawyer who once defended the system was taken down with it. The man who spent years denouncing American imperialism was now detained by it. Maduro was flown directly to New York City. There was no diplomatic immunity and no political bargain, only a federal courtroom. A man who once ruled a nation now stood identified by a case number. In the unsealed indictment, prosecutors allege a conspiracy to traffic tons of cocaine into the United States, partnerships with the Sinaloa cartel and other criminal organizations, the abuse of diplomatic cover, the ordering of kidnappings, violence, and executions, and the laundering of drug money across international networks. The U.S. Department of Justice described it plainly. This was not a government. It was a state-run criminal network. Today, Nicolas Maduro is no longer in power. He stands before a court. And Venezuela stands at a crossroads, leaderless, fractured, and uncertain. The question is not whether Maduro is guilty. The real question is how a bus driver rose to power and took an entire nation down with him.